This is the easiest and most delicious eggplant recipes forever. With just 3 ingredients, eggplant, onion, eggs, and a few spices, you'll have a tasty and budget-friendly meal in no time. Cut the eggplants into small pieces. This dish is super fast, full of flavor, and perfect for busy days. Try it once, and you'll want to make it again and again. Sometimes eggplant is even tastier than meat. Now beat 1 egg well. I'm sure you'll enjoy making and eating it. Remember, cooking unlocks your creativity. Every homemade meal adds warmth to your family moments. Then pour the eggs over the eggplants and mix them well. Cooking at home always brings joy to the table. We also need an onion, which we must first chop and then fry in oil. I use onions in most of my dishes because onions are really good for our health. Then we fry the eggplants and add salt, black pepper, and red pepper. We also add grated garlic to the food. Sprinkle some dried mint. Well, our simple, quick, and inexpensive meal is ready. Cooking at home means creating love with the simplest ingredients.